To douse. To douse means to put out the flames. You know, you get some water gun here, or you get a water hose, and you can put the water out, put the flames out, put the fire out. You have to cover it with water. Okay, so we can call it to drench in a liquid. To submerge means put it under the water. To extinguish, like a fire extinguisher, the red thing we use to put out the fire. To dunk. To dunk is something like maybe you put somebody's head or a ball, you push it down under the water. Okay, dunk usually has a sound like kerplop, like this, kerplop, like that, you know. To soak. Soak, maybe you put a towel or a shirt into the water, you pull it out, and it's dripping all wet. It's soaked. To immerse. Immerse means put into water. Okay, so immerse is just a general word, 它是一般的一个字，不像 dunk 或是 soak 有那么特别的意思。Okay, so to douse means put the water on. 要把水放在上面，就全部都湿掉了。Okay, so I'll douse the flames. Flames 就是 fire. I'll douse the flames with the hose. 好，那我们要把这个句子念得很顺，我们从后面练习。With the， 我们把它念成一个 th， 这个 th 要爆发出来的，不能擦音。With the hose， 就是这个东西。Okay, 水管。So with the hose, the flames with the hose, I'll douse. OK， 那要注意，这个 s 是有声音的 z， 这个也是都是浊音的，这个没有。OK， 后面有 e， 所以看起来好像是 douse。我这样子，如果说我没有学过这个单字，但是我看它的拼法好像是 douse， 所以这个也是例外啊，它是念 douse。I'll douse the flames with the hose. I'll douse the flames with the hose. Thank you for watching.